They go by many names: bags, dark circles, or puffy eyes. No matter what you call them, they can be a pain in the neck and difficult to get rid of. The creams and solutions you buy in the store may help, however, they may also contain harmful ingredients. Why would you want to put something like that on your face? Instead, you should make your own baggy eye solution. This recipe is full of skin-healthy ingredients that will help quickly diminish unsightly puffiness around the eyes. For this baggy eye solution, you will need a glass spray bottle, as well as lemon oil, lavender oil and rosehip oil. Additionally, you will need aloe vera. Combine the lemon and lavender essential oils, aloe vera gel and rosehip oil in the glass spray bottle. Then, shake it well. These ingredients are great for this particular use because they are bursting with healthy skin components. For example, aloe vera benefits include anti-inflammatory properties, as well as the ability to heal skin. Rosehip oil, meanwhile, contains essential fatty acids that can help your skin regenerate. And lavender and lemon oils are both antimicrobial and also contain powerful antioxidant agents. Wash your face, removing any makeup, as part of your normal bedtime routine. Then, close your eyes, spray the baggy eye solution onto your face. Using a gentle motion, rub the solution under and around your eyes. Let it dry. Be sure to sleep on quality pillows that can support your head and neck. Furthermore, turn off any distractions, such as the TV, and make the room as dark as possible. Eliminating other factors such as these will help lessen your chance of waking up with dark circles under your eyes. The recipe for this baggy eye solution should serve 20 uses. It takes about 5 minutes to make. Ingredients, supplies for baggy eye solution: 1/2 ounce rosehip seed oil, 1/2 ounce pure aloe vera gel, 10 drops lavender essential oil, 5 drops lemon essential oil, 1 glass spray bottle. Directions for making baggy eye solution: in a glass spray bottle, combine all ingredients and shake well to blend. Before you turn in for the night, wash your face and remove all makeup. Spray the solution onto the face, just be sure your eyes are closed. Massage the solution under and around your eyes. Wait for it to dry before going to bed. Make sure you sleep with your head supported by quality pillows, and eliminate any factors that could contribute to poor quality sleep.